nakakatawa silang mag-away.
Ano nga mag-away ng mga babae na ito?
At sinong madalas nag-aaway?
Sila ang pasagutin mo.
Ito madalas tong kasama sa away, si Kyla. Ay, may sabunutang nagagawa pa. Since laging nag-aaway, alam yung ginawa ko?
Ano?
Itinali ko sila nang magkakonekta silang dalawa. Bahala kayo, magsabunutan na kayo lahat, pero bawal na mag-hit sa face.
Obvious naman that the three of you are not living with your mom right now. Ano naman ang hindi nyo ngayon namimiss?
But you know what, sometimes I do miss it. Pag
Are you
pag
sure?
nagnanag siya.
Nananag pa ako?
Ang issue.
Big C.
Yes. Yan.
Wala na naman yung tsinelas nyo. Kaya magbayad ng kuryente.
Pero alam nyo, ganun lahat ng mga nanay.
Oo.
Siguro paglabas ko nagtatawanan kayo, no?
Hindi.
Kung yung Diyos may 10 utos, si Janice de Belen may 12 na utos.
Hello everybody! And welcome to Wala Pa Kaming Title! I'm Kyla.
I'm Moira. I'm Ina. And we're here with our guests.
The original
The
host.
original host. Our mom, si Janice de Belen.
Wow! Yes!
Si Tita Candy, Tita Jelly, and Tita Carmina.
Thank you
So for the podcast takeover.
Yes, and if you like this episode and all our other episodes, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Subscribe kayo.
Yes!
I was
Spotify.
I was TikTok, yung mga clips.
Okay. Wala inside. To all na.
Bakit?
all.
Yeah, I think, yes.
Okay.
Okay. YouTube, TikTok, Spotify, Facebook.
Yes.
Okay.
We have to.
Before we go on and move forward, of course, with us, si
JV
and Jen.
and Jen.
Especially,
Yes.
who is serving us coffee with a twist. Not only coffee,
Not only
but
coffee.
drinks.
Drinks.
Flavored with
Shot. Ayan,
syrup.
zero.
Oh my God.
Ayan,
Oh,
bakla.
wow.
Na
Favorite.
napakadaming variants.
Yeah.
Ang
Name the
favorite ko,
flavor.
Name the flavor you want, you got it. Sila talaga ang you got it all.
Yes.
Okay.
Sila talaga yun.
So, bahala na kayo sa amin, ha?
Sure.
Okay.
Yay.
Wait,
Yes.
pero yung iniinom nila Moira ngayon.
Gusto ko lang malaman na yun na sila ay of age.
Yes, we
Yes.
are legal.
They are
They're not minor.
So dapat pala nag-introduce tayo with age. Okay, let's start with, of course, the eldest.
Age reveal daw, age reveal. Hindi, yun na lang.
Year
Para-
lang. 1992.
Yeah.
Oh my God! May nyo pa silang magbilang.
Hindi ako sila.
Ikaw,
Hindi naman magpapa.
1993.
Ako naman 1996.
Oh, that now. They're of age, okay? So, pwede silang uminom ng
Yes.
merong alcohol.
Akala ko
Yes.
pwede na sila uminom ng kape.
Hindi na naman.
Sabi yung age.
Pwede rin naman.
Hindi naman. Kasama natin ngayon yung mga anak ni Janice. This is a special episode kasi this is rare na, di ba last time like when we had Mavi and Cassie with us, si Wendy palagi naman natin kasama.
Yeah.
Can I just tell you, kahit sa totoong buhay, even for me, it is so hard for me to get all three of them together.
Because may kanya-kanya na sila
Exactly.
trabaho and lives together. And, you know,
Yeah.
so minsan-minsan mo lang sila makasama.
Seriously, thank you so much for being here.
Yes! And in fairness, isang tawag ko lang, umuo na sila. Wow! Hihingi ng TF.
Yeah.
Bravo! Ayan, usapan natin quality time yung tungkol sa pagmamahal.
Yeah.
Yung ganyan, yung words.
Kanina kasi nandito sila nung pinag-uusapan natin
Umu-opinion,
love
di ba?
language.
May sarili kaming discussion.
Sila sa love language. Kayo ba? Ano sa tingin nyo ang love language nyo sa nanay ninyo?
Acts of service. Tsaka,
Ba-
nakikahalihin. Yes!
Parang sila nag-delegate.
Wait, dapat quiet tayo.
Oh,
muna. Isa, go.
Dapat i-describe mo, ah.
What made you say,
Patapusin muna natin si Ina. Go. Ano?
if you ask something like a favor from me na hindi mo magawa, I do it, diba?
True naman.
True naman.
Ang sinasabi nating acts of service is something that you do on your own.
Oo,
Ayun.
Oo.
Nagbago. Nagbago yung sagot.
And there are times na she can't do this and for example, she asks Moira, Kylo, or you want to do it and they can't. Sometimes naman I initiate to do it naman. Yes! Okay. And words of affirmation, tama si Ma'am.
Ako yan. Si ate. Talaga.
Mga words of affirmation.
Words of affirmation.
Oh, Moira,
talaga.
ikaw.
What do you say to your mom? If,
What do you say? What do you say?
What do I say?
Often.
Hirap na hirap
Sometimes
pa.
it's, syempre ngayon, 3-4 years na that I don't live in the house. So, minsan, kinakamusta ko si Mom, how are you?
Yeah.
I tell her, Mom, I miss you.
Yeah.
That's true.
Or yung mga sinasabi ni ate na
Not
sa
just,
ano eh.
not just to Mom, but to my siblings also. Even to my dad, especially my mom and my sister.
Feeling ko quality time.
Time.
Oh, yes. Quality time.
Yeah.
Feeling ko yun yung top. Cause, parang lately, whenever may gatherings sa house, parang I make sure to
Be available.
be
Tsaka,
available.
even if she's not there on time, she makes sure na nakakasunod siya.
Yes.
No,
Alam mo, so
on time. Kasi, hindi na napansin ko kay Moira kasi na even if,
I'm quiet but I'm a lover girl. Wow!
Yes.
hindi na napansin ko kay Moira na even if she has work, talagang she will make time basta maka-fall.
Oo, yun naman, totoo.
Yeah.
Okay, ikaw naman, Kyla. Tawa ka dyan ng tawa. Tingnan natin kung ano sagot
Kaya
niya.
ako talaga, as of service ako talaga. Ever since.
Sama naman.
Tsaka quality
And
time.
quality time. I'm also the same. Parang, pero yung quality time kasi, feeling ko, ayoko rin na wala ako eh. When there's
Yes.
like a family.
Yeah.
May FOMO. May FOMO factor.
Lalo pag family, pag birthday, tas may dinner, or anything na gathering. Nasasado ako pag hindi ako kasama.
Tsaka si Kyla, nung nakatira pa yan sa bahay, kumpleto naman sila sa gamit sa banyo nila.
Yeah.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Magtatanggal siya ng makeup. Doon niya gagawin. Sabi niya, I'm going to get cotton.
Sa bahay
I'm going to get cotton pads. I'm going to get
Sumasegoy
ito.
ng chika, gano'n.
Ito, naisip tuloy ako. Lahat naman nun meron sila.
Yeah.
Natutuwa ako.
Actually, every time I come home from somewhere, an event, ganyan, no matter how late, dadaan ako sa room ni Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doon ako magde-debrief.
Oo.
So sometimes, doon ako magtatanggal ng makeup, doon ako maghugas ng
Tapos actually,
talking.
actually minsan,
Pabanding kayo.
yeah. Pero actually, minsan, pag kunyari you're there, sumusunod, parang sumusunod. Unti-unti lang yung sumusunod dito.
Dahil mga chismosa sila, sumusunod sila.
More than anything, do you know that your mom really appreciates that? Kasi she tells me
Yeah.
natutuwa ako kay ganito, kay Moira, o kay Ina, o kay Kyla, kapag ginagawa nito. She really
Yeah.
appreciates. Ito yung words of, love language na sa nanay nila.
Okay.
Since obvious naman that the three of you are not living with your mom
Anymore.
right now, what do you miss?
Ano ba?
Actually, feeling ko yun nga, yung the last thing I mentioned, yung pag-uwi ko, pupuntahan ko si Mama sa room, ganyan. Kasi, routine na siya for me eh. For when we used to live with Mama. Ako personally, routine na siya sa akin eh. Every time I come home from somewhere, dumadaan ako kay Mama para makipagkwentuhan sa kanya. So, syempre ngayon, it's different kasi umuwi ako mag-isa, ganyan. So,
Oh.
But, kami ni Mama, we still call each other.
Yeah.
So, at
We
least
still
the
call each other.
communication is there.
Hindi lang every day, but we still sort of kept that kind
Dynamic.
of dynamic.
Yeah.
Moira,
Open
ikaw,
to.
what
Ako, I think it's the space. Kasi parang yun nga, parang when I go home also,
Yeah.
parang it's just me and my fiancé. Sorry. Ay, siyempre, pag kaming dalawa lang. So, parang hindi lang ako sanay na it's just us. Alam mo yun, I'm used to having people around. Like, siyempre sila. my siblings.
Yeah.
I think it's the space, tapos the
Aminin
kwentuhan.
nyo na.
So,
Yung may tagaluto ng
I
pagkain.
was gonna say,
well,
yun talaga,
Si Ina. Si Ina ang pinakamatagal na eh.
Yeah.
yeah, so I was the first one to move out. Yun, yung pag nagbabonding kami sa room ni mom.
Yeah.
Sometimes we would watch movies with
Yeah.
her. She'd
Yeah.
say, oh, there's this movie, do you guys wanna watch? We'd all go to her room.
Yeah.
Just watch
Masaya
it.
no, no?
Masaya no.
Yung mga simple things in life. You know, imagine just
Those-
making chika.
Those are the things that you remember forever.
Yeah.
yeah.
Oo naman. Yun kaya yung masaya. Tapos yung may pagkain, yung either mag-order ko.
Ah, yes.
Or midnight pa yung kalahati pa lang yung movie. Bigpos namin pa kasi naglulutos ka kasama.
Or nag-order kami ng, or gagawa ng dip.
Gagawa si mama
ng dip. Yeah. Actually, ever since we were so little pa, yun na
Yun na yung
ginagawa
ginagawa
namin.
natin. That's true.
Di ba those things na parang wala lang, pero if you think about it now, those are the ones that you remember at na nadala nyo.
Yes.
Even when you have your own
Yeah.
children.
Yeah.
Hindi
Yes.
napaka-priceless.
Yes.
Kasi, activities. And again, it's moments.
And
Yeah.
there was a time, yung medyo maliliit pa sila, mahilig kami manood ng sine. At
Yes.
saka gusto namin, naabutan namin ng trailer. Kasi pag pinapanood namin yung
Oh, yeah,
trailer,
yeah.
pinaplano na namin, napapanoorin namin ito ng sabay. Oo.
Wait, ano to?
Tiramisu.
Anong laman nito?
Ice Americano
Okay.
with cold foam rum.
Wrong.
Rin na natin lahat. Tikman natin lahat.
Gusto mo na pa mga alcohol eh?
Mix mo muna, Janice.
Did you
Mix ba to? Sorry naman.
mix coffee?
Pwede ko pang i-mix, but
Pwede hindi.
yung pinaka-alos, yung Ice Americano with
Kasi you have
raspberries.
to, kailangan sumabit ka dun, ma'am.
Ang layo, ah.
Wala.
There's malayo siya.
Straw, may straw, may
May
straw.
straw.
Ah, pwede bang straw to?
Pero ang gusto mo, pa up and down.
Pag ganun yung lasing na siya.
Pag in-straw mo daw pa up and down.
Yeah.
So, parang pinaglalaro-laruan siya. So, laro na alam. Ito na. Up and down, up and down. Well,
Wow.
No, so,
Anong syrup ang ginamit?
The caramel syrup from shop.
Ah, sarap
Kilala
niya.
sa hapon, yung caramel.
I love the caramel. Yeah.
Yes, so caramel.
What?
may rum to.
Ate ka meron, di ba?
Grabe kayo makatikim, ha?
Eh, alam mo na. Ang sarap eh.
Gusto pa yung uminom ni Baba.
Alam mo, get it.
Wala na silang maiinom. Marami pa silang maiinom.
You know, sharing is caring.
At marami pa tayong maiinom.
That's good!
Kaya mo, ibang sila maselan.
Parang wala siyang rum. Can you taste it?
I can taste the rum. Pero it's good, ah.
Alam mo, likod makataste yung rum. Nainom na yata nga.
Janice, may titikman pa tayong iba, ha?
Dinedemonstrate ko lang kung paano matitikman niyo yung puti o lahat.
By the end of the episode,
Ang dami ko gusto ko.
Mama, tama na yan.
Konti lang, tinatry ko lang.
Okay.
I think you're gonna finish this. Ilayo na natin.
So, pinag-usapan natin kanina kung ano yung mga namimiss nyo. Ano naman ang hindi nyo ngayon namimiss?
Well,
Okay, go. Ang dami na nag-excited. Wow!
She's prepared.
But you know what? Sometimes I do miss it. Pag
Are you
pag
sure?
nagnanag siya.
Nanag pa ako.
Oh, Janice, huwag ka nga.
mukhang
Huwag ka nga.
Si, alam mo si Jerry.
Okay, wait. So, paano ba siya mag-nag?
Very teleserye style.
Explain mo yung teleserye
Okay.
style.
Totoo kasi, pag si mama, nagagalit siya sa amin, isa siyang malaking eksena. And regardless of kung bakit siya nagagalit.
So, big scene?
Small issue, big scene.
Yes.
Ganyan.
Wala na naman yung chinelas nyo.
Yeah!
Kung gaano kahirap maging nanay!
Yeah, ganyan.
Pinatay yung aircon.
Tapos may cue na walk out.
Hindi na naman pinatay yung air ko papasok si mama. Kaya magbayad ng kuryente!
Pero alam nyo, ganyan lahat ng mga nanay.
Oo.
Yung sa kanya, extra lang. Pero ina-act naman niya. If she's not dramatic, pero pinagsasabihan niya kami, ang sinasabi niya is, isa lang yung dramatic actress dito sa... Magaling ka.
Isa lang ang dramatic actress.
Well, hindi na ngayon.
Hindi na ngayon.
Kasi dati, alam mo kaya ganyan ako?
Oo.
Naamin ko yan, ha? Kasi feeling ko, kung di ako magdadrama, hindi nila magigit.
Walang impact.
Walang impact, hindi sila ma-apektuhan.
Question. Pag nagdadrama siya, anong effect sa inyo?
Naiiyak.
May drama din kami. May drama.
Dramatic rin kami.
dramatic din kami. So, for example, sasabihin niya, hindi niya alam kung gaano kahirap maging nanay. Kami naman, Ma, you don't understand.
May ganun ka.
Ganun din sila.
Ganun din sila.
Pagkakuha sila.
Yeah.
Dramatic children din.
Nagamit naman nila nga.
Nagamit naman namin.
Nagamit naman.
And yung ganon, yung dramatic.
Nag-walk out siya.
Yes! Ano yun?
With matching
exit. Dramatic exit. Tapos may reaction shot lang kami nagtitigil.
Oh, may time shot kaming lahat.
Parang meron na sabi
Siguro paglabas ko nagtatawanan kayo, no?
hindi. Kasi nga dramatic din kami. Kailangan namin
we're laughing about it now. But when we were there at that moment,
So, paano nire-resolve? Let's say, nag-walk out siya, tapos kayo may mga, reaction shots.
Sabay-sabay kami pumapasok sa room ni Mama para mag-song.
So, paano kaya? Sorry, dramatic din.
hindi naman.
Or parang casual na na talk na.
Or,
Kunwari, papasok tayo sa kwarto. Ganito.
Oo.
okay. Sabay-sabay.
Sorry.
Tapos, ikaw,
Tapos isa-isa kami magmamahal kay Mama.
Hahag na lang
Close din
sila.
kami sa kanya after that.
Ganyan lang naman, di ba? Yun lang naman yun. Kailangan lang masabi ko. Kasi, di ba?
yeah.
Tsaka feeling ko talaga pag hindi ako nagdrama, hindi nila makukuha. Pero na-realize ko ngayon, sinayang ko lang ang pagdadrama ko. Dapat pala walang drama, yung gagawin na lang.
Yung aircon.
Oh, ano?
Pero wait, Mama, di ba before?
Ano?
Mama, di ba?
Bukas na naman yung aircon.
Bakit ka kay mo may sinasabi?
Hindi. Naalala ko lang yung, remember when si Mama, parang hindi na siya nagalit. Gumawa na lang siya ng printed na paper. No, kasi may story yun. So, before, yung mga pinapagawa sa amin ni Mama, na she goes to the room, she tells us na paulit-ulit. Syempre, yung iba, hindi nagagawa agad. So, ang ginawa
Out
na
of
lang niya,
12, 11 yung nagagawa.
so, ang ginawa na lang, para siguro na napagod na, gano'n. Nag-print na lang ng paper, tapos nilagay sa mirror namin.
She laminated
Tapos,
it pa.
Yeah.
Laminated
Tapos
yun.
yung name is number of rules you must follow. And then, naka-name.
Diba?
Tapos may note pa yun na, we are all adults here.
O, sino tatanda nila? So, may impact?
Yes, may impact.
Diba? Kung yung Diyos may 10 utos, si Janice de Belen may 12 na utos.
Na yung 11 doon, hindi nyo na.
Hindi namin nasusunod.
Oo, eto meron pa. Kasi yung frustration ko sa mga to. Diyos ko, kaya ba nating iligpit itong mga gamit na to? Yan ang frustration ko. So sinabi ko syempre sa Tita Jelly, eto naman Tita Jelly, no, make suggestion. Sabi niya, ganito. Kasi yung mami ni Ariel, ganito yung ginagawa niya. Habang nandun sila, doon ka maglinis at magligpit para makita ka nila, maawa sila. Maglinis na sila.
So, ginawa mo.
So, tinry ko.
Oh.
Ang sinubukan kong gawin ay linisin yung drawer ni Kyla na puro salamin.
Okay.
Kasi talagang, oh my God, yung ang daming salamin sa labas, dito may salamin dito. So, tinry kong gawin.
Oh.
Alam mo kung anong sabi ni Kyla sa akin?
Sabi?
Ma, don't throw the others, ha? Pakita mo muna sa akin if you are planning to take that out. Kaya sabi ko, Jelly, hindi nag-work.
Bakit sana nilang isipin na, ay, gagawin naman pala ni Ma? Okay, I have a question. Nung time na yon, bakit hindi nyo nagagawa yung mga sinasabi nila? Let's say, kunwari, ayusin niyo yung gamit niyo.
At ayun yung ilaw pag hindi ginagamit.
Oh, pagkagawa. Bakit sa tingin nyo, hindi nyo lang nagagawa?
Oh my God,
Wala.
it's jacuzzi.
Is this a test?
Let's talk. Sa totoo lang, let's not sugarcoat it. We're just lazy.
Wait, I love it. For the first time, they're saying it. It's accountability. Big thing. Okay, question. Okay, eto. Okay, ang daming naganap, ha?
Let's just say we're
Okay, what's that?
What's this?
What's this?
Aerocano salted caramel with whiskey po.
With whiskey.
And this one, Kuya, what's this?
Mango sticky rice.
Oh, I wanna try that.
Let's try this first.
This is mango sticky rice.
Yan ang mango sticky rice.
Ano yung base nito na alcohol?
Whiskey.
Whiskey.
Ito rin, so parang whiskey base.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah. it's whiskey-based. Yeah, di ba? Yeah.
Sabi mo kanina, hindi mo matikman yung rum.
So all the cocktails pala we're drinking have coffee.
Okay.
Oh,
This is so good.
Ay, ito, tikman niya.
Ayan, tikman nyo.
Ito, mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice.
Sila.
Kakakunin ko lang to, ha?
This is really good.
Ay,
What's this? Americano.
That's
Wow, that's a strong.
It's good, Tita Candy.
Oh my God.
ng ano,
Alam mo, kailangan mong ganunin yung cream kasi kailangan mo siyang ma-experience.
This is really... Sarap nito ko yeah.
Pero actually, yung aftertaste niya, mas
This is one again.
Yeah, it's good.
Americano. I like it. Yung after may tamis.
Yeah.
Masarap to, masarap to. Masarap din yun actually.
I like this one.
Ito,
though.
mas gusto ko to.
I like the mango.
And this one also.
Sarap.
I like the mango sticky rice.
This is really good.
Ako, I like this so far. The mango
Sa una lang kasi parang ang tapang eh.
Pero eventually,
Ito ang
nag-die down.
tropical drink.
Yeah.
Ito ang sarap, di ba? Pero kailangan hulihin mo yung cream sa taas.
No? May mango syrup.
Iya po, isa.
And I love the mango syrup.
Yeah.
Hindi siya lasang parang gamot. The mango syrup tastes very,
Syrup na ano.
Yeah.
yeah, very natural.
So you guys, umamin kayo, you were just lazy.
Yes.
ano naman yung mga realization?
Yan.
Parang, syempre nung nakatira na kayo ng on your own, yung parang, oh my gosh, all this time,
Ito pala yun.
oh my gosh, tama,
Pagkalain natin si Ina kasi si Ina very
The longest.
Na dapat talagang maglinis ka.
Nagpapakinig tayo, no?
Yeah. But you know what? Another thing that I want to add na namimiss ko din is kasi she mentioned nga na sometimes she goes to our room para mamotivate kami na maglinis.
Yeah.
Unti-unti niya yung mga gamit namin. Kasi eventually, we do end up cleaning with her. And parang nagiging bonding din namin. So now, when I'm at home, ako pa nga yung mas naglilinis eh. Like everyday, nakuwawalis ako, I fix my stuff, I
Kapagod
make my
maglinis.
bed. Nakakapagod talaga. Nagva-vacuum ako, I clean the dishes. And I remember telling Mom this na parang 1 month pa lang nang wala ako sa house. I called her, sabi ko, Mom, I miss you. Tapos dun ka na-realize na mahirap talaga to live on your own.
Yeah.
If you don't know all of these things.
There is a reason why she was nagging.
Yes.
Why?
Ako, I think, kasi the first time na I lived alone, it was with Kai. We were roommates pa. Wow, taray! Parang it was our realization both together. Na while we were living with each other, na parang, kasi syempre kaming dalawa lang, so kami nag-ayos ng everything. So parang sabi namin, ang hirap pala, no?
In the middle.
Parang it's hard to do everything na while you have work,
Yeah.
while you're doing other things. Pag-uwi mo, you have to do chores at home pa. You have to cook on your own.
Yeah.
Actually, yun, for me, it's really the cooking.
Yeah.
Pero,
Ito lang.
Tumingin siya kagad kay Miss.
Ito. Story ako. Nung nag-i-empake sila, paalis, ha? So, syempre, 1 year na nilang alam, ha?
Naaalis.
1 year na. Alam mo kung kailan sila nag-start mag-empake? Yung mga 2 weeks na lang lilipat na sila. So, siyempre gumaganon ako. May 1 year naman sila dapat na pag-aarap. Kung kailan 2 weeks na lang, tsaka sila natataranta. So, di ngayon, yung day na nag-i-empake, kala mo pagod na pagod sila. Eto, masungit. Masungit talaga. As in, masungit siya talaga yung sabi niya, okay na yan, iwan ko na lang. Para hindi na siya mapagod. So, ito nung una, masipag. Huminto, mag-rest. 15 minutes lang daw. So, dumapa na sa kama niya. Nagpo-phone na. Sabi ko, mukhang hindi na matutuloy. Mukhang hindi na mangyayari. Hindi na nangyari. Tapos na ang pagliligpit. So, yun yung nakakatawang part doon.
O, ikaw, Kai.
Realizations yun nga yung sinabi ni Moira. Parang kami kasi we realized that together. Kasi we moved in together.
Yeah.
Kami dalawa. May dahilan kung bakit kami ninanag ni Mama before. And then we also didn't have a choice but to do everything ourselves eh. But another thing that I realized also, feeling namin hindi siya tumatatak. Feeling din ni Mama hindi siya tumatatak when we were still living with her. But actually, subconsciously, naririnig ko si Mama sa utak ko eh.
Yeah.
Pag may kalat, parang naturally nangyayari, liligpitin ko ka. Yung damit ko na nakakalat, liligpitin ko. Kasi naririnig ko si Mama sa utak ko. So, tumatatak siya talaga.
I think before, the reason why you guys weren't doing it is because you know somebody there.
Well,
Yeah.
yes, that
Yeah.
also, yeah.
Na-realize nyo, kayo lang ang nasa bahay.
Yeah.
Walang ibang gagawa niyo.
Wala kayong
kayo lang.
Yeah.
Choice.
Kahit na-mention mo na, ano ba yung hindi ko namimiss? Ano yung hindi mo namimiss? Other than nagging, meron pa?
Yung nagging, and syempre pag galit sa amin si mama, yun nga, malaki siyang eksena sa bahay.
Hindi mo nalinis yung mga big scenes.
Hindi mo namiss yung atado.
Balik natin kaya itong mga question sa nanay.
Ay, naku.
Parang walang mga big scene to mga to.
Meron naman. May bigara naman.
Dramatic children.
Yeah.
Ano yung babalik kong question kay Ate Janice?
Anong namimiss mo?
Pare-pareho kasi sila.
Okay.
Namimiss ko yung ingay nila. Namimiss ko ang laughter ni Moira. Kasi promise, pag tumawa siya, hanggang dulo ng street namin naririnig siya.
Yeah, that's
In fact, nung pandemic, di ba kasi hindi pwedeng mag-park?
Yeah.
Hindi pwede.
Ay.
Kasi yung mga kapitbahay namin, syempre inaaliw nila ang mga sarili nila. Nagtatanong kay Inday,
May
may
part.
party ba kayo sa inyo? Kasi parang, parang
Saya?
ang saya.
Oo.
Sa lima ko pa lang na anak, party na. Well, si Luigi wala na nun sa bahay.
Yeah.
So doon pa lang sa kanilang apat, party na. Wala pa ako doon, ha?
Oo nga.
Lalo na pag nagka-cards sila, pag nag-games sila. Pag lumawa na si Moira, wala na.
Nakakahawa din lahat. Nakakahawa.
Nakakahawa si
So,
Moira.
namimiss mo yung ingay.
Namimiss ko yung ingay.
Kasi mismo din ba yung away-away ng tatlong Maria?
Oh my God.
Lagi ba sila mag-away, Janice? Oh no. Kumakatanong ako.
Real answer.
Pero sa,
Oo, nakakatawa silang mag-away.
ano ba mag-away ng mga babae na ito?
At sinong madalas nag-aaway?
Bakit hindi sa kanila
Sino ba?
Okay.
Sino na? Sila ang pasagutin mo.
May face yan eh. Nung bago yung computer sa bahay, itong dalawa ang nag-aaway. Eh, mind you, wala ako nun eh. Kaalis ko lang ng bahay. May sabunot ang nagagawa pa.
Alam mo, hindi yata nawawala yun sa mga kapatid na babae.
Yeah.
Yung sa bunutan.
Nasa kawalan ba kayo?
Kasi apat kami magkakabay. Apat kami babae. May sabunutan factor talaga.
Nagsabunutan ka, ikaw.
Kami dalawa ni Rian
Ikaw, nagsabunutan ba kayo?
Hindi, kasi nila ko siya sa cabinet. So, hindi kami pwedeng magsabunutan.
When we were younger talaga, yung mga fights namin, physical talaga.
Yeah. Physical.
Ito rin, ito nag-away lang dahil sa earphones.
Sino?
Yes, I remember.
Oo.
Na kayo?
Oo, bukod sa napakarami pa nilang mga ibang away Eh minsan di ba pagka
Dami.
nag-aaway sila, lalo na ng mga bata, sila nakakapagod, di ba? Ito madalas tong kasama sa away, si Kyla.
Involved.
Si Kyla at saka si In, nag-away. So, ang ginawa ko, tinawag ko silang dalawa. Since laging nag-aaway, sabi ko ganito, I will count 1 to 20. Do sa 1 to 20, bahala kayo, magsabunutan na kayo at lahat, pero bawal lang mag-hit sa face.
Okay.
Pero magsabunutan kayo,
Magsuntukan kayo, pero wag lang sa mukha.
wag lang sa mukha.
Ginawa nila?
Bilang ako ng 1 to 20.
Wala.
Natitinginan lang sila.
Hindi naman.
O sabi ko, bakit ngayon? Kaya nag-aaway kanina, magpapatayan na kayong dalawa. Di ba ano to?
Why? Why did you not do it?
Wala na sila dun sa moment na yun.
I think it's the pressure.
Mas masan kayo. That's what it was.
Kami reaction ba niya?
Parang,
Yeah,
what
may
you're
referee
fighting
na.
about suddenly is not important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi you're in trouble. Both of you.
Itong dalawa, nag-away. Alam mo yung ginawa ko?
Ano?
Kumuha ko ng masking tape. Masking tape, di ba?
No.
Tali.
Parang tali.
Tali. Itinali ko sila nang pagkakonekta silang dalawa.
As in, back to back kami.
Yeah, back to back. Nakaganon.
Choice to be together.
Exactly, that was the point. Siyempre, siguro para ipilit na tanggalin yung I figure it out.
So, yung wiggle room namin,
Ganon lang siya.
Ito yun ito. Ilan taon si
Bata pa.
yung wiggle room namin, di ba ganyan? Konting-konti na. Pero dahil tali, medyo nasa-stretch namin siya. Pero hanggang dito lang, side to side. So, if she needed to use the restroom,
Kasama ka.
kasama ako.
Napaka-creative.
Diba?
Saka may purpose eh.
Yeah.
Parang wala kayong choice. You have to be together. So, kailangan nyo pa rin magtapos.
Yeah.
And you know what?
choice eh.
Yeah, and you know what? Kaming tatlo, we've shared a room ever since.
Yeah.
Until bumukod kami,
Yeah.
one room lang kami tatlo. And honestly, feeling ko that's the best decision mom
Yeah.
made. Kasi
Keep you together.
our
Yes.
bond is so strong.
Yeah.
Iba yung bond namin tatlo, sobrang...
Kasi we're all original idea.
So what do you miss? with each other.
Girl, baka umiyak na naman tayo, girl, ah.
O, bago yun, bago nila sagutin ko. So, Kenny, what is this?
This one is triple peach with energy boost.
Triple P.
This one is caffeinated pero walang coffee. So we use the apple and lime with energy.
Soda water.
Ayan, si Energy Boost ng shop.
Energy Boost is apple and lime.
So it has a caffeinated from yerba mate
Okay.
and green beans. Extracted yung caffeine.
Yerba mate.
Oh my God. Triple peach. Ang sarap.
What's in it again?
Peach. Triple peach.
Triple peach,
The
this one.
energy syrup
And,
is
Refreshing.
Vodka.
vodka.
oh, vodka.
Oh, wow. It's so good. It's so
Refreshing.
This is my favorite. So,
Ay, sarap.
Ikaw gusto mo vodka eh.
Yan.
this is my favorite so far.
Are you okay pa?
That's so yummy.
Yeah.
So good.
Ang sarap.
That's so good.
Meron na pasunod. Oh my God. Dapat pala hindi sila hinahamon eh.
Smaray mo naman ba mo?
Favorite ko sa lahat.
Me also, this one. I like this one.
Ako si Mango Sticky Rice.
Apple and
Spice biscuits with toffee.
Spice biscuit.
spice biscuit.
Spice biscuit.
Wow, yun.
Spice biscuits. So familiar kayo kay Biscoff most likely?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh, I want to try
yeah.
this one. I want to
Yeah.
try this.
Mahilig dyan sa bisco.
Oh, it's strong. Oh my God, it's strong.
It's not for everyone.
Wow.
It's not for everyone, I see.
Going back to yung question ni Candy.
Oo.
Ano naman miss nyo sa isa't isa since birth, since yung nakasama na kayo sa room.
Oo.
The bond. Ay, the company.
Yeah.
The company.
Kasi for how many years we're used to going home to each other eh.
Yeah.
Yung pag-uwi niyo galing sa school, ay naku, alam mo, yung sa homework ko, hindi ko natapos.
Yeah, yeah.
Yan.
Yeah. And even though may mga days na hindi naman kami nag-uusap masyado, okay lang kasi alam naman namin na
Isang tawag lang.
magkakatabi lang yung mga bed
Yeah.
namin. So,
But now, since we're living separately, it's different.
you feel the absence more.
Yeah.
And that's when everything else sinks.
Especially when there's a milestone, or
Yeah.
when you're sad,
Yeah.
when you're angry, kayo nag-uusap-usap eh.
Yes.
But there's a milestone right now. That somebody here is about to get married. Exactly.
People gotta stop. You can't do it here. Not now.
What made you cry? Ba't kayo umiyak?
Hello!
Oh.
Ayun na.
Ayun.
Oh.
I think kasi ngayong bond namin talaga.
Oh.
Kailangan natin tigilan to.
Wait. Oh, sige, let's talk about si Moira.
Ikaw na una.
Ako dito lang ha. Hindi na pumapatak. Ayun sa inyo, papatak.
Guys, relax!
Sinabi pa lang natin yung tungkol sa
Milestone eh. Basta milestone, it really is.
but
And Moira is about to...
Hindi mo
Doon makalas. First sa girls. Siyempre yung bond ninyo is really solid. And we know that. You don't want to do together, but still it's a different thing. Na, you know, parang it's more permanent.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kasi ngayon parang pwede pa kayo magkita-kita ano. Pero ngayon iba na yung buhay talaga.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, ang tanong lang ang kwento pa lang naman ni Moira nung naiyak sila, yung kanta.
Anong feeling? Bakit?
I mean, we talk naman to each other still every day.
Yeah.
As in, we talk every day. But it's different. Siyempre, when she got engaged, umiyak kami, but we were, parang happy kami.
Yeah.
But then when it starts to feel real na, syempre nagpa-flashback ako. Like yung mga memories namin. Kasi we lived in the same room.
Yeah.
For the longest time. Na, I think there was only once na I stayed in another room. Pero eventually, natulog din ako
Yeah.
sa kwarto nyo.
Kasi
Yeah.
hindi mo rin kinaya.
Kasi hindi ko rin kinaya.
Hanggang naglipat ng room, nag-away kayo.
No, I wanted to try. I wanted
Kasi
my
she's
own
the
thing.
eldest, diba?
Yeah.
So parang
Yeah.
siya yung unang nag-try to have her own room.
But
Okay.
yung
Pero wala.
CR namin,
Connected.
disconnected naman.
Ikaw, Kai.
Parang naiyak ako sa sarili kong sabi. Kasi, you know, like we were saying earlier, our bonds are very strong. So, yung journey namin as sisters, parang sa pakiramdam namin, isa lang.
Yeah.
So,
Boy, wait, parang naiyak din.
Wow, first time na umiyak ka.
Sorry, can I even feel it out? Wait lang, ano sumagot mo na ako? No, so of course, her getting married is a mark of her own journey by herself.
Nawala na kayo.
Na hindi na kami kasama.
Ayoko nang dito.
So yun. But it's an exciting thing. I mean, obviously,
Oh, it's not like we're sad.
we're not sad.
Or we're not happy.
We're super happy for her. But of course, it's a bittersweet moment. Parang reality check din siya na, oh, we're here.
Yes.
This is where we are.
We made it.
We made it
Yeah.
in our lives. Then.
More like she's making it happen now.
Yeah.
So, Janice, ano yung realization mo naman? Realization now that Moira is about to get married. You know you're happy for her.
Oo naman. Oo naman.
Okay guys, baka hindi nyo alam, ang kumukuha po sa ano ngayon ay yung fiancé. Si Mick.
Natawa sa akin.
Iyak ka ba?
Wala, busy siya.
Oo, busy ka.
Okay. Now that Moira, kasi parang first of your girls.
Yeah.
I mean, we're not just like this to Moira, but even if Yuan gets married,
It's gonna be like that.
it's gonna be like that for all of us.
Ibibilin kay Moira. Ano yung bibilin mo kay Moira? Now that she's getting married,
Cooperate.
cooperate.
Cooperate. Be proactive. Kasi si Moira sa kanilang lahat, ang pinaka nagde-demonstrate ng individuality niya.
Yes.
Pag wala siya sa mood, wala siya sa mood.
Tsaka hindi mo siya makakausap.
Hindi mo yan makakausap.
Siya
Yung kahit ikaw gaganon ka, parang bukas ko na lang sasabihin kay Moira. Parang ganon. So meron siyang ganon. Pinuput up niya yung wall niya. Parang hindi ka makaget through.
Oo.
So you have to give her space. Ako, para sa akin, importante na maging proactive siya, makikooperate siya because a marriage is not just one person. A marriage is two people cooperating with each other, working together for the same purpose. Huwag magsungit.
Agree.
Agree.
Yeah.
Yan ang mga bilin mo kay...
Yan naman ang bilin ko kasi the rest of the things, I think she knows it already.
Yeah.
Tsaka i-reserve natin to para mag-speech ako eh. Pagdating doon,
Reserve na lang daw niya.
Moy, how did you tell your sisters and your mom that this is it? Guys, hindi pa po tapos ang usapan.
Grabe, overflowing kasi emotions.
Yeah.
Ano pang emotions na magaganap? Meron pang part 2 ang usapang ito with the kids.
Abangan.
Abangan.
I actually messaged mom first. Pero it was directed to everyone. I was like, Mom, are you free this day? Then I told her, oh, we just wanted to share some plans for the wedding.
Yeah.
Sa kanilang magkakapatid,
That's true.
siya ang fixer. Kapag may problema, si Kyla ang mag-fix.
Yeah.
Magandang trabaho yung text.
Oo nga.
Tinatang bayad doon.
But you know what, when we were packing our stuff, nakita ko from the mirror habang nagpapako, umiyak si Mama.
Kasi it was getting real.
Yeah.
Punong-puno yung kwarto, tapos kung konting gamit.
Yeah.
Sabi ko sa kanila, okay, so hanggang dito na lang ako. You're on your own.
Oh.